Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend Elite account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Elite account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the search bar. In the search bar, search for Netspend Elite Login. You can see that it appears on the top of your screen. It is also called ACE Elite account. Go ahead and click it, and this is a sub version of Netspend. So you can see that a login portal has appeared on your screen. Go ahead and fill your login information such as your username and password. Write down your Netspend Elite account username and your password. Make sure that the username and password match to your account and then click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Netspend Elite account. If you want your browser to remember you the next time you log in, click on Remember Username. If you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to go through to retrieve back your username or recover your password. If you don't have a Netspend Elite account, create one by clicking on this link. I hope this video about how you can log into your Netspend Elite account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.